Yeah, how's everybody doing? Today we're in the farm, and man, I like to come to the farm anytime I feel like just getting away and writing. It's a beautiful place. Like watching plants grow, and all of those gives you some sort of inspiration. So I like to come out here. Those of you who didn't know that Noel Empraw is also a farmer, yeah, that's the way to go, especially for Nigeria now that everybody's crying about the cost of food, and so it's a great deal, man. We got, like, right now I'm from this farm. Actually, from this farm, it's my first time doing this, and I'm really impressed. Like, I'm surprised, like, what kind of stuff that we took out of this farm. We've taken out groundnuts in large quantities. We're taking out maize, so now we're doing beans. Just show you guys about. Look at that. You see the beans is sprouting. See that? Sprouting all the way up, all the way over there, all the way. See that? All the way. So watching these things grow is just, it's fun for me. See that all the way. And spread across all the way. It goes all the way down over there to the rice paddy over there. I'll show you that. See that? And across the other way. So for me it's just fun right now. Yeah, so okay, so maybe let's go to the other side. I can show you some of this stuff. Hold on. Yeah, man, this farm stretches for hectares, and over here it's you can see vegetables over here, all the way down. Across to the other side where we have beans and sort of like a rice. So it's taking agriculture seriously. Okay, so let's move over to the other side over there. I'll show you guys. Hold on. Yeah, so you can see all this is vegetable from Africa. Yeah, so having spent a good time at the farm, it's time to go home. Yeah. As we proceed, ahead and no stopping us. Say for the grace, talent's not enough. I promise I'ma make it in this world of saying, look my son in the eyes, you ain't know a thing.